morning. Ooh, the quality is not good. This is way too early for this, but usually I wake up at 6:50 a.m. every morning, but now I'm trying to be a productive legend. I'm trying to wake up earlier. This is still new to me. Oh my gosh, okay. I look tragic. It's literally dark. I don't know why I'm opening the blinds, but it just feels right, okay? Ooh. My last brain cell. First thing I like to do is make my bed. Oh wait, it has a wrinkle.
Hey, with me.
I need to get rid of these bad boys. Oh my. I feel great. Oh shit.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
To do my hair, and it's like partially curled. I need to like touch it up a lot. I have a lot of extensions I'm gonna be putting in my hair. I'm gonna do that and then curl my hair because it's not looking too hot. Shout out to Bellamy.
It's calling me. Like the rainbow. Like the rainbow. It's calling me. Like the rainbow.
One side down. Now this side. Hair done. My arms hurt. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my makeup, and this drawer is so messy. I need to like freaking clean this out. Also, my sweet mother got me some coffee. Look at my tripod. It's like so bent. Oh my gosh. Great. I need to put some lip gloss on. I got a new lip combo. They're gonna focus. I'm gonna be using these two, so. Okay, we're done with all of that, thank goodness. Okay, so I have all the stuff that I'm going to bring for the shoe. Some of my friends are gonna be wearing some of the stuff, so I'm just gonna bring literally everything. Definitely want to take a picture in these bottoms, this thing, and right here it has like a heart, and it's so cute. But it also comes with like a matching top, which is so cute, and it has like a zipper. So definitely gonna wear this for one of the outfits. Some of this is like new stuff that I got in the mail from Savage X Fenty, so that's why there's tags on it. This outfit with this, yes. I'm also probably gonna pack all of my makeup too, just for like touch-ups and stuff. You feel? I'm also gonna bring my laptop. I think I'm gonna put my hair up for now, just so I don't have to deal with it. I'm just gonna finish getting ready when I get to Autumn's house, like changing and touching up. As you can tell, I'm a little flustered. When I'm like getting ready and I have to go somewhere, I get really stressed out. I think it's because I don't go outside. So I'm just like, holy crap, I have to go outside today. Such a homebody. A homebody. I'm such a homebody that like, my armpits are really bothering me. See? My spray tan like got them weird. Everything's fine. Everything's fine, Sarai. I'm gonna put everything in this backpack, I think. Shall we? My makeup and hairspray. This is my outfit. Let's go. What's under my shoe? Oh, my gum under there. Ew. Oh, I need my jacket.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get it.
It's freaking cold. Let's freaking go, bro. I'm so annoying. So I just made it to Autumn's. Now I'm gonna go inside and we're gonna set up and I'm gonna get ready. We have this Valentine's Day background, and then look how cute this is. Autumn's mom like set up this whole setup. We made a mess. I don't want to get demonetized, but she cute. Ew! No, I'm not gonna do that. I need to work. And then we have Indy and Devin here. Yo.
So cute.
You look like the grudge in that. I never made an outro for this video, so I literally just got back into my pajamas because that's literally what I wear 24/7, and I took off my eyelashes and we're chilling, bro. I also want to thank Savage X Fenty for sponsoring this video. I literally love them so much, and just I love how they empower women. It's all about wearing lingerie for yourself and to feel good in your own skin, which is all that matters. So they have hundreds of styles available, and they have an extensive range of sizes, which I think is so important. So the sizes are 32A to 42H, and extra small to 3X. Also, everything is priced under $50, which is crazy. I definitely wanted to include this offer because they have a really good sale going on right now, and I don't want you guys to sleep on it because it's amazing. So I will link it down below. But right now you can get 50% off your whole VIP order. You can get underwears as low as $7. Also bralettes for $10 and bras for $15. And sleepwear, this isn't it, but for $17. It's such a great deal, and I don't want you guys to miss out on it. So definitely click the link down below. You can also become an extra VIP member, which gets you so many perks, and I definitely recommend it. I would definitely recommend doing the Savage X Fenty style quiz when you sign up. Definitely follow my Instagram because I'm going to be posting some Valentine's Day pictures from that shoot. I think that's everything. Let me know down below if you guys want a night routine and I will do it. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just a little bell thing. So I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Say